Now, what do you mean by sockets? Because whenever we will send any kind of message, it has to pass through our sockets. So now what is the meaning of sockets? It process, sends or receive message to or from its socket. You can see the diagram here. I told you to remember the layers. I told you the short form of that. You are going to remember as ATNLP. So here, otherwise DP, data link layer. So how you are going to, what you are going to do? Any kind of, you have to do in this way, the layers first you have to do. So as we are discussing about the application layers, I have some process here in this side and some other process in this side. So I want to communicate in between these two. I have my internet channels are here. So I'm going to communicate in between these two hosts. This is my one host, system A. This is my another host, system B. So I'm going to communicate in between these two. How I'm going to communicate? Why I have used the sockets here in between my application layer to transport layer? Why I used this socket? The Viva question, this is a general Viva question. Why to use the socket? Remember, the socket will help you to send any kind of process from one host to another host, and also it has the capability to receive any kind of message from any other host. So this is the meaning of your socket. So now the socket analogous to door, how it is going to work out? You can see here, it can send the process from here to here, and from this side it is going to receive the message from this host. So the socket will have the dual kind of work architecture. It can accept the message, it can forward the message. So here here in the last point you can see two sockets involved. The system A will have one socket, the system B also will have another sockets. So here, and remember, in one host only one socket we can put. We cannot put more than one socket. So this socket will help you to communicate between these application layers. And as per the diagram, you can see the transport, network and data link and physical layers will be controlled by your operating system. But the application layers will be controlled by the application developer, because in this application layer, we have to create all varieties of process. We are going to run the programs. So whenever we will run the programs in any of the host, we have to send the if you want to communicate with another host, you have to go through the sockets. This is all about your socket.